Okay, some breaking news coming in at this moment. Heavy rainfall has hit Jammu and Kashmir again. Rainfall in Srinagar since last night. That's the breaking news that we are getting you. Though so far we do not know whether the water levels have risen in the Jhelum as well as the Dal Lake or not, or whether they have receded at all since yesterday or not. And to answer these questions, we have Ashraf Wani joining us on the phone line. Ashraf, what is the latest?
Yeah, basically yesterday it was some kind of relief from the ongoing rains here in the Kashmir Valley, but since yesterday evening, once again, rain has started across the valley, which has now increased the worries among the people here in the Kashmir Valley again. It was heavily raining throughout the night, even to this time it is also raining. But so far the water levels in the Jhelum as well as Dal Lake are under control, and they are not above the danger mark and not have even touched the danger mark. But if rains will continue for the day, probably this water level may increase. But so far we are getting reports from different parts of Srinagar that water logging has already started. Many roads are underwater, but that is the rainwater, and it could not be dangerous as the level of Jhelum is concerned. The Jammu-Srinagar National Highway got once again closed due to the landslides at many places. Yesterday, for a brief period, this highway was left open for the traffic almost for 2 hours. But just after the start of fresh rains, once again the landslides had hit the national highway and resulted the closure of this highway again. It is now the 6th consecutive day when this lifeline is cut off from the rest of country for Kashmir Valley, and now resulting the shortage of vegetables, necessary items here in the Srinagar. And we are seeing in the market the people could not find the fresh vegetables, the necessary things they need for the day-to-day life, and the cause is only that the supply is not coming out from the country due to the closure of Jammu-Srinagar highway for last so many days.
All right, Ashraf Wani getting us all the latest at this moment. Time now for a short break on First.